I still remember the day my orange cat, Marmalade, slipped out of the house, and I frantically searched every nook and cranny, my heart racing with every passing minute, until I finally tracked her to the beach. As I watched in horror, she padded down to the shoreline and into the waves, her little paws getting soaked, and before I could react, she dove under the surface, leaving me gasping, wondering if I'd ever see her again. But then, like a miracle, she emerged, shaking off seawater, and padded towards me, her fur glistening with ocean spray, and in her mouth a glint of gold, a treasure she'd found under the sea, which changed everything.